We have teal and pink. In the tunnel. Having a little resting match. Out of the tunnel. Go back in the tunnel. Oh, he's going to run out to the grass. Doing a little potty time. Good job. At least he knows where to go. That's Mr. Teal. Running back over to see what else he can get into. Couple more right here. Up on the little slide. And he's back over on the cot. So, this is what's happening just before 6 a.m. on Friday morning. Hope everyone has a good weekend. I know I'll be busy. Oh, look at here. We got somebody up on the little tight cube. And it's Mr. Green. Oh no, it's Lucy. It's yellow. Oh. In the tunnel. Oh, there's Mr. Green sneaking out of the house. He was inside. Red and pink, taking a drink of water. Mr. Teal over here chewing on a nylabone. Mr. Green just sliding down the ramp. Goes into the house. Made for the puppies. I think he's ready for his morning nap. Oh, and there comes Mr. Lime. His new name is Midnight Dreamer. He's going to be part of our breeding program. Cute little boy. Okay. Well, that is about it. I think some of them are going to start going back inside for their morning nap. Mr. Green is creeping down further. Mr. Lime, Mr. Teal, and Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Okie dokie. That's about it. We're going to head in now. Have a good day.